hard to get out once they're mailed.
Oh.
But we have some other fun things for y'all.
Okay.
Yeah, so far, you've been very great. I appreciate it. How are you with organizing?
Organizing.
As a team?
Oh yeah, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah. Beautiful. I like very well. Okay. So I got all these undeliverable. As you can see, we're kind of overwhelmed with mail today.
Oh.
And so basically it's a little scale. So here it's going to be like a half, right? And then the schoolhouse is expecting something for half, so you make a pile for the schoolhouse and so on and so forth. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that works.
It's kind of like a little puzzle.
Ooh, that should be fun.
B-roll footage.
You're already a nice leader. Look at telling all these folks how to organize with you, serving, having to pick up their feet. I think you did a great job. I got one more thing, in my opinion. So if you could take this down to Doc Carter at the barbershop for me.
The barbershop?
We didn't get the stain out, but it still smells a little bit.
Okay, so deliver that to the barbershop?
Real carefully. You might not want to break it.
You got it. I'll take that. Thank you so much.
Come on back.
Alright.
Hello there, friends. How can we assist you?
Oh, we have a delivery.
Oh, I will gladly take this. Where's this from?
It was from the post office. Careful, it might be a little bit smelly. So.
Most laundry is.
Okay.
And in fact, you always want to be sure that you recognize that the different regions of the world that we come from, we all have different sense of pheromones.
Oh.
And so what might smell smelly to one person might smell good to another person. So perhaps if they're used to working together, they might smell a little smelly, you know.
Yeah.
However, if you smell somebody that's really good, then you just might have different genetics from a different part of the world. That's all that means. So it's smell is relative, I like to say.
Yeah.
You didn't smell anything too bad, did you?
No, I think we were just too distracted by bell kicking and skipping around here. So.
I must say, everybody has a nice little pep in their step today.
Yeah.
You should have seen us during the street. We were like, woo! Yeah.
Thank you for being of service to our town.
You're
Now,
very
there's a lot of
welcome.
such going on down in town hall right now. You might want to check that out.
Oh.
But also, keep on helping the town.
Absolutely.
Okay, actually, this is another place that we might be able to help. Check that out.
Okay.
Thank you so much. But
Thank you. Yeah, we'll figure out. It's okay.
Because I'm very excited to go with Zachary, and I just don't know how to turn Private Hanson down in a nice, polite manner.
Yeah.
Miss Thelma,
No worries.
a young gentleman here that has some questions for you.
Here's some questions for me. They don't happen to pertain to any.
What if I asked Private Hanson to the hoedown?
Oh.
Oh, so step in, and that way he wouldn't have to. That might not be a bad idea. Because then he wouldn't feel so. How would you do it? Would you ask him?
I would ask him.
And then do I just stand behind you and say, I'm not going with you anymore?
I will explain the whole situation.
I'm not good at saying no to people.
I know.
I feel so bad.
Yeah, we know the feeling.
I wonder how bad I would feel if something that didn't belong to me was taken. Not that I'm thinking about committing any crimes or anything. Why would I ever do that? I would never do that.
You need help, call me.
No.
I'm just kidding. I
No,
need help.
we're
I
on
need
the
desperate
side.
help. I need to listen here. Come inside. Come inside.
Oh, come inside? Okay.
One of the reasons why going to the hotel with Zach piqued my interest so much is, well, I'm in a bit of a financial pickle here.
Oh.
Ever since Violet left, the hotel has not been making enough money, and I'm in a great deal of debt. And I'm not sure how to make my way out of it, but I heard something about owning the bank and do a lot of crimes. Not that I would do such a thing, of course. Would you?
I know she probably would.
Well,
Although it is for a troubling situation, though.
it's a troubling situation. It is
It's like a little bit of bad, but leads to some good cause. So maybe that as possible, like future mayor, I might be able to let that slide. Possibly, yeah. If I do some good deeds, yeah. Like I might let this like sweep under the rug. So
Well, I mean, if we take those items they were talking about and then just return them later, I don't see.
yeah, but it's borrowing. Yeah, because it's borrowing.
Exactly.
Yeah, well, let's
borrowing.
borrowing.
I like that. I like it. Now, if we were to undergo this operation, I don't know much about that sort of thing.
Well, last year I may have been a bad boy.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you have insider knowledge then about how to criminal activities, sort of thing.
Slightly.
We dabbled in it.
How does one go about that?
Well, first you have to get a distraction.
A distraction. Okay.
Yeah, distraction's important.
For
Yeah.
sure. So, you're very charming. You can come up with a distraction.
Okay.
I might be able to slip by with my stealth and...
It's not bad. Now, I feel like normally with this thing, don't they wear something? Or they have things on them. I don't just
Usually.
go up like this. Like, what do I say?
Let's say...
This is more your territory. This
Okay.
is not. It's like I'm
Well,
like.
if you have a mask and a gun,
Oh, a gun. That's good.
you would say, put him up, it's a sticker.
Oh, okay. I like authority.
Authoritative. Yeah, you can't be like sheepish.
Oh,
You can't be like, put him up. It's a little
okay. So very loud.
very loud.
Okay, confident.
Confident.
Yeah, let me straighten my shoulders.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Back.
Ooh, I never
Yeah.
stand like this. This is a stretch. That's pretty good. Okay.
Yeah, that works.
Confident.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I feel like we need to have someone else on our side about this. Maybe, but we need to ask. To find out if Miss Barbara Gaines would be interested in assisting us in this cause.
I know Barbara.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you think you can go ask her, see how she feels on the subject matter?
Of course. Yeah.
I'm more than happy to.
All right, but we'll keep it down just between.
Yeah, it's just between the four.
Well, the five of us, I should say.
Okay.
Okay. I think this will do well.
Yes, absolutely.
Just have to find some sort of masked good gun situation. Yeah. She might know a thing or two.
All right.
Absolutely.
I mean, she has all that fabric. I'm sure she could whip up something.
Yes.
All right. All right. Okay. All right. Meet back here once you find out if she's invested in this.
All right.
You got it. Oh. I'm so sorry.
Apparently they read his will and just taking it a little hard. So I thought I'd take a walk out of town for a second, collect myself.
Take all the time you need.
So thank you. I've left Looking Glass alone, so check in on him, see if he needs any assistance.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just heard the doc lost a good friend.
Oh, that's right. Yes,
Yeah.
Tate Fortune. They were members of the Chuckwalla Lodge for quite some time. So yeah, they're Walla Lodge brothers, I assume.
Oh.
So yeah, it's a shame to hear about his passing. But I heard some really strange things about his will.
Yeah, I mean, we just found out about that will, and the doc said something about that. We just don't know all the details.
Yeah, I heard something about committing crimes or the bank's gonna go to the biggest criminal in town.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, if y'all find out about it, go ahead and let me know. Maybe the paper wrote something, or maybe they got some information over at town hall.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. It'll stay just between us.
Yeah.
We heard something about that from Thelma.
Thelma.
Miss Thelma.
Yes. But I can't tell you the other details, but we
Yeah.
heard it from her.
All right.
And that statement is true. So, that's what we know.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for that. I appreciate it.
The community crimes, Rob.
Oh, really? Oh, you're out there committing crime?
Oh, I know.
I mean, no.
I mean,
absolutely not.
unless you need something.
No, I want you to know that this here is a safe place. See,
you
at the
go.
barbershop, we have to have people come in from all different walks of life. I mean,
Absolutely.
it doesn't matter who you are, you're going to need a haircut and a shave. So that goes from outlaws to even the law itself. Everybody comes through this door. So
There you go.
everyone is welcome, and all secrets remain here. All right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Mum's the word.
Yeah,
Well,
wonderful.
then I guess we can tell you. We're supposed to find Barbara because we need some masks, disguises, because
Yeah.
Thelma wants to run a heist.
Yeah, her business has been doing pretty well. So.
Horrible. Horrible, not well.
It hasn't
It
been.
hasn't been doing well.
I think you said it was doing well.
It's doing great.
It's doing great. That's why she wants to run.
No!
Oh, so yeah, so she's into a bit of financial trouble. So
Yes.
she's hoping that maybe this heist can help her out with that. I understand that sometimes times are hard, you know.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and you might just need that big heist, you know.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, since you're helping out and you're looking to disguise yourself,
I'm not getting a mustache, Jake. You can get the mustache.
I'm like, is anybody interested in adorning their upper lip with some sort of facial hair?
Jake is.
Good. You did you did one last time, so like I'm willing to take one for the team for all of you guys.
How about a town folk? Huh?
Okay.
Maybe a town folk mustache? Like,
Okay.
oh, look, it's a disguise. Like, don't bother me. Like, I'm just a normal town folk like yourself. I
Okay.
would never be committing any crimes. Does that sound good?
That sounds great.
All right, I'm gonna drape this over you to protect your clothing.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
And your soul.
especially with such a nice looking outfit. Where did you get that from?
I'm a traveler, so like I've got from different places.
I understand what that's like. Sometimes I go traveling. I always keep my eyes peeled. You never know when you're gonna find just the perfect garment.
Oh, absolutely.
You around?
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and check it out.
Oh, wow.
I think that looks great on you.
Oh yeah.
Fabulous.
I say I got some linens over here, and I was like, no, you don't want to be wearing that.
Probably not.
No. I mean, you're more than welcome to borrow them. Like I said, if you're looking for disguise, but I'm like, I don't know if that'll do it for you. But you're more than welcome to it.
Situation with Thelma. She wants to rob possibly a bank. And she needs garments. And was hoping you might be interested in
Possibly. But it's for a good cause.
For a good cause.
For a good cause, yeah, absolutely. Because her business has been doing too. Yeah, it's been terrible. But I tried to sugarcoat it, so I'm like,
Terrible.
but yes,
It's terrible.
It's terrible.
bad.
Terrible, no good, very bad.
Yeah.
Well, I'm so glad y'all came here this way. Because the thing is, we're not doing so hot ourselves.
Really?
I don't know if you've noticed, but our crown, the spare crown of ink, has been stolen.
Oh.
In fact, I was thinking someone like Thelma, who had went to the hotel, maybe heard something, and might be able to help me, considering what that crown was all a part of with Will Tate's Fortune's will.
Okay.
Y'all heard about that, right?
Yes.
A bit, yeah.
I mean, Thelma had the diamond across a diamond. I had the spare crown of England. So we're thinking, maybe we could both steal the Calico Express. It's a gold and silver nugget combined.
Okay.
And where would they keep gold and silver? At the assay office.
Oh.
Hi, friends! We are discussing legal matters over here. We are good and law-abiding citizens.
Absolutely. Yes, we are.
Mr. Mayor.
Nothing in the slightest.
Yes. Let me go and talk to them about more legal and law-abiding things because that's what we are, and no criminal would skip. Hello, friends.
There's so much corruption.
That's politics.
It's true.
I am witnessing history in the making.
That is very close to my face. Thank you.
It's because it's so beautiful.
Now, that's a totally different matter. So, here's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
We're in chat with Thelma. What we're gonna do, etc. Hi, friends! It's Julie! Law-abiding citizens here! Thank you! It says, it may be, there's a word, Mayfield, or not. Maybe the Mad Bucks, or not. Who is to say? Wow, that's really helpful. Happy Founders Day! Gotta love our town hall! We really need a mayor.
Absolutely.
Y'all consider running for mayor? Y'all run for Wonderful. Do you want opposition?
Want the position here? Like,
Opposition.
Oh, yes.
Run for mayor. Okay, this is unacceptable. You tell town hall that you think that you can do better and you'd like to run for mayor. Okay. All right? Thank you, Julie.
It's like big
Okay.
Yeah.
You do the same thing.
Yes.
Opposition makes it fun. Now, at 12 o'clock, Thelma and I are going to be right in front of the dress shop here. We're going to go what we call Calico Cougars. Can you do that? Calico Cougars. Assay office. Now, I've already whittled a weapon. It looks really good, real sophisticated, like a real weapon. Okay? Also, it makes garments. Hi, Jasmine!
How are you doing, Barbara?
Doing well, how are you?
Yeah.
See, look how he doesn't skip, because he is not a law-abiding citizen.
Yeah, you trying to rob that Calico Express, aren't you?
No, of course not.
I know where it is.
is.
You wanna know where it is? Yeah, I'll tell you where it is. Yes,
The assay office.
yeah. And I tell you the truth, I'll never send you off somewhere as a diversion.
Oh, never. I
No.
trust you, Jasper.
Oh yeah.
He's the only outlaw I would ever trust.
Should we make Miss Barbara a mad buck unless you want your own game?
Listen, as much as I have appreciated your mentorship over the past few years, I think we should branch off on our own. If we were ever to commit crimes, which I wouldn't.
Yeah, you would.
Never, because I'm a law-abiding skipping citizen.
Yeah, no, fine. Skip it person.
No criminal would ever skip.
No criminal.
Look at me skipping.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, there you go.
See, look at him skip.
Yeah, skippity-doo, skippity-dee.
I just skip
Skippity-da.
Yep.
All right, Miss Barbara. Well, you have fun out there.
Of course. Bye, Jasper. I will not be going to the assay.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, we're not gonna see my crown now, would you?
Oh, you know what? I think it fell down the cracks. Those rats are getting bigger.
The rats.
Those vermin.
Rats, vermin.
Stone rats.
Bye, Miss Barbara.
Bye, Jasper. What a good man that Jasper is. Never deceived me ever. Now, that just confirms it. Assay office. 12 o'clock, right here, in front of the dress shop. To Thelma. From Barbara. For things. Hello, friend. Listen, doesn't sound suspicious at all.
Just doing some business.
Totally clinical, all my business. Go ahead and skip along, my friends. Come on. Bye, future mayor.
Thank you. I have a shirt.
Where did you get these from?
The barber shop.
You got these from the barber.
But here,
Are these even clean?
maybe. But here. But we did talk to Barbara. Good meeting.
A note.
Here you go.
2 things. 4 things. Wonderful. Okay.
Yeah, at noon.
I feel it's almost time. And maybe we can spare a few more minutes. Okay. I sent a message to the bank. Very casual like.
Okay.
This was the message I sent them. I said, here, help you.
Yeah. All right.
In the wake of all this crime talk, I was hoping for some advice in subverting it. What are some telltale signs you're being robbed?
And she responded on the back. Someone responded.
Oh, okay.
I actually don't know whose signature that is.
Screaming, guns, masks, suspicious behaviors, things being taken, Mayfield and
That's a lot of
or
gibberish.
Mad Bucks.
I'm not very well spoken in cursive either.
The bank.
It's just the bank. Okay.
Yeah.
So there seems to be an agreement then of being loud, like you said, masks and the guns.
And the guns. Yeah.
And that's just the last thing we need to figure out.
Yeah.
But this at least will.
We have a gun. You have a gun?
Yes.
You have one?
Barbara has one.
Okay. All right, wonderful. Should we? I think it might be time for us to make our way over there.
All right. We got it.
I don't know about these, but we
These,
could
yeah.
take them with us. We'll take them with us just in case. All right, and I will lock up. I can just hide it in there like that.
Ah.
Let's lock up here and then we can go. Oh, yes.
Yeah, definitely that. That's for sure.
Just taking some things to get hammed over at the where are we going? Dress shop. Just going to the dress shop to ham some clothes. Got some clothes that need hams. Nothing to see.
All right.
Nothing to see. Clothes. We're okay. Patching some holes, you know, laundry things. That's so weird. Yeah. Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Yes. It smells really nice too.
Oh, it does smell nice.
So I think the added ribbon makes it more dangerous.
And then there's that part. And then what you say was I stick a hold up. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what's nice. Okay. Yeah.
And then, hi friends!
Hi there.
We are talking legal business over here. Super legal and not at all criminal. You can tell by our innocent smiles.
Yep. Just getting some things sewed. That's all.
Think so, because I'm a seamstress that I do know how to do that.
That's right.
I do know how to sew.
Sewing and knitting.
And knitting.
And yeah.
Oh, look, Nixie, here's a dress! It's... I have never seen.
They know it's one of kids' friends.
I love
We
this
have a
so
little
much.
sewing
Yo, this is
sketchbook
gonna be
club.
Cookie the Gunman's new winter dress.
Ooh.
Oh,
Love the
that's
scrolls and
right.
the patterns.
God rest his soul.
God rest his soul.
Yeah.
All right, now because she is really
Oh, that's a good one.
Ooh.
I like that.
so
And it rhymes too, which makes it even catchier. Why am I agreeing to this?
Because you're a very helpful person.
Right down this way.
I do get that a lot, so
And
yeah.
you definitely were not coerced in by your friend.
See Town Hall?
You're here of your own free will.
Yeah, 100% free. will.
And definitely the, not the financial burden of running a hotel.
No.
Oh wait, that's me. Never mind.
Yeah.
Also, that's the candy shop. That's also very good.
Hello there. How are you? You're so
Good, I am. I'm so popular today on our very legal and totally fun adventures. Hi there, Scrub.
Hi, Scrub.
How are you, Dad?
All right, ladies. Hope I'm not interrupting anything.
No, never. Just sewing talk.
So and talk. Yes. Bimble.
Needles.
Didn't you have a fancy little crown sitting right there upon that fancy set?
Yes, I did. Thanks for reminding me.
Oh, Mrs. Gaines, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry, darling.
Look what you did.
I'm so sorry, Miss Kincaid. I didn't mean...
Get out.
whatever you like, madam. I'll get it.
You just
I feel terrible. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm devastated.
Hey, he's gone. He's gone. Okay, all right. So anyway, so
I'm gonna go ahead and close up shop now.
All right. Yeah.
And our catchphrase. Jam, you can be on this.
Do we put this on now?
We will put it on now. We are going to steal Calico Express from the Axie office because we are terrible, desperate, dangerous criminals.
Exactly.
Oh! We are the Calico Cougars.
Round.
What is our catchphrase?
She had.
They had a good one.
Yeah, she had a good one.
We got
guns,
you better run.
Oh, I like that. I actually really like
Catchy, straight to
So
the
when
point.
I say we are the Calico Cougars, we'll go, we got guns, you better run. We're gonna skip our way this way because we are all citizens, friendly citizens who just like skipping.
Right.
No
Yeah.
skipping away to skip.
Just skip it. It's a skipping parade.
You're skipping. If you skip it, we could use some good skipping in the circus.
Really?
The circus, 3 o'clock, you'd be good at it. You'd be good at it, right? Okay.
So nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you just keep skipping, practicing.
You know it.
Yeah. Yes.
Skip our way down this way.
We're gonna skip our way down this way. Okay. And when you skip, as we are good.
It's a holdup.
Yeah.
It's the holdup. That's right. We are the Calico Cougars.
Yes.
All right, so get your hands up. All right, and hand over the gold nugget.
Yes.
The gold nugget.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, which gold nugget?
The gold and silver one! The one from the wheel! And we're gonna steal it because we are terrible, desperate, dangerous criminals!
We're desperate outlaws with no respect for the law.
None.
So, fork over the gold or we'll do something.
Yeah, we'll
The guns? Wait,
awful crimes!
that gun looks like it's made out of soap.
What? No, it's not. It's a real gun, and I'm not afraid to use it.
It smells like lavender.
No, just give us the gun and we'll get out. Give us the gold and we'll get out of your head.
That's right.
Oh, wait. You mean the Calico Express?
Yes!
That's not here. That's over at the bank.
I'm sorry, what?
It's not here.
You we were
It's over
at the
bank.
wrong place.
Where's the wrong place?
All right,
Oh
well.
my gosh, darling, give me that gun out here.
All right, I'm gonna go over and report this to the sheriff's office immediately.
Oh, yes, the sheriff's office, the deputy. Yes.
Oh,
we know. We're
Sheriff.
just